You were about to step inside the mind of a hacker. Not the Hollywood version, the real one. The quiet planner, the observer, the person who sees digital doors long before anyone knows they exist. Today, you're going to watch a cyber attack from the inside out. Every cyber attack begins long before the first packet ever hits a firewall. It begins with curiosity, a question, and a target. Real hackers do not rush. They stalk, they watch, they learn, and the very first stage of their attack is almost invisible. The hacker starts with reconnaissance. They gather everything they can about a company before touching a single system. Public emails, open ports, forgotten subdomains, old PDF files containing metadata, employee LinkedIn profiles revealing software versions and roles. A hacker treats this information like puzzle pieces because the smallest mistakes people make often become the biggest entrances. Next, they fire up tools. Shidan to search the internet for exposed devices, a port scanner to map the company's digital front door, a web crawler to reveal hidden admin pages. They are not attacking yet. They are studying. They are building an understanding of how the target thinks, because hacking is less about code and more about psychology. Once they identify a weakness, maybe an outdated VPN server, a misconfigured cloud bucket, or an employee who overshares on social media, they move to stage 2, weaponization. This is where the hacker transforms raw information into a plan. If the weakness is human, they craft a phishing email that feels personal. If the weakness is a system, they prepare an exploit that matches that exact version number. They are patient. They tailor every step. They wait until everything feels perfect. Then comes delivery. The moment the attack begins, but even this moment is quiet. A phishing email lands. A malicious USB is dropped in a parking lot. A fake login page is texted to an employee. Most real hacks are silent. No alarms, no dramatic typing, just a moment where someone lets their guard down. When the hacker gains initial access, everything shifts. This is where the real skill shows, because the attacker is now inside a network that was never meant for them. Their first priority is simple: stay hidden. They disable logs, they use proxy servers, they move like a shadow. Then they escalate. They search for admin credentials. They exploit trust relationships between systems. They jump from one machine to another. Each step takes them deeper into the company's core. At this stage, the hacker is no longer scanning. They are exploring, reading internal documents, studying network maps, searching for the one system that controls everything. It might be a database server, a financial portal, a cloud dashboard, or a backup system that holds everything the company relies on. When they find the treasure, they prepare for the final action: exfiltration. They compress data, encrypt it, send it out in small fragments through ports that look harmless. Sometimes HTTPS, sometimes DNS, sometimes cloud storage that looks like normal traffic. The goal is always the same: blend in, disappear. And then, as silently as they came, they leave. They wipe traces, erase logs, close the doors behind them, and vanish. This is the mind of a hacker. Not fast, not loud, not cinematic. A process built on patience, observation, and understanding how humans and machines leave small cracks in the walls they build.